This is a regular Highback booster, and this is HIFOLD, the grab and go booster seat. It's the most advanced, compact, portable and adjustable Highback ever invented. HIFOLD's more than 3 times smaller than a regular booster and just as safe. 3 years ago, I had a vision, an ultra compact vision. Remember MIFOLD? Thanks to your incredible support, it's the most successful crowdfunding campaign ever for a juvenile product. We've sold more than 500,000 seats in nearly 160 countries. Thank you. Today, we are thrilled to introduce our new product, HIFOLD by MIFOLD. We've made this into this. In less than 10 seconds, it's set up and ready to go. The patented design takes the seatbelt off the stomach and the neck, making it comfortable, safe and simple to use. HIFOLD can easily go with the child. It doesn't have to stay in the car, so it's perfect for taking on vacation. And unlike this large seat, it can easily fit in here. HIFOLD's ideal for travelling in an Uber or a taxi. No guys, a real taxi. That's better. Or on a day trip with the grandparents. Thanks, Mum. And you'll never have to clean a smelly old rental seat again. HIFOLD is fully adjustable, so it grows while he grows. And because it's so compact, it's much easier to fit 3 in a row. I'm sure you're thinking, how's it possible to be so compact and portable and just as safe? HIFOLD has 8 comfortable, ultra-compact impact protection zones. Each one has a lightweight EPP for superior impact protection, a dense, energy-absorbing layer for added protection, and a comfortable PU foam and airflow washable fabric, all surrounded by a tough polypropylene shell. While a regular booster lifts the child up, HIFOLD holds the seatbelt down, and a patented adjustable shoulder guide positions the chest strap securely. Safety is always our #1 priority. HIFOLD is designed, engineered and tested to meet the regulatory standards of every country on earth. We have a vision. A child restraint for every child, in every car, on every journey, every time. So pre-order your HIFOLD now at MIFOLD.com or on Indiegogo. HIFOLD by MIFOLD, the grab and go Highback booster.